Hey guys, how's it going? We did another one of those things where we got home, immediately changed clothes and started working on the truck, and I forgot to grab the camera again. So I want to show you a little update on what we've done since yesterday. The new shocks are in. I'm hoping you can see this pretty well because it's starting to get dark out already. So you can see those Bilsteins are in. They're just the Bilstein 5100s, nothing crazy, but the ones that were on the truck, of course, were shot. And so we did that last night. Tonight, we are getting the old logos off, the old F-350 logos. Hit them with a hairdryer to kind of get the stuff peeled off, and now we are using some rubbing compound to kind of get this old, oh, that's starting to come off nice. Get this old glue off so we have a nice clean surface for the new badge. So I will give you guys a little view of what that looks like if I can get that nice and cleaned up tonight. It's kind of slow going with the rubbing compound, but I think that's all I've done since yesterday. Oh, also kind of a big deal, I put the new tuner on. I will show you that in a second because I need to go inside and get the keys. Here we have the DP tuner switcher. I may try to hide this cable. It doesn't look too bad, but I want to get it up into this A-pillar instrument binnacle thingy and see if we can hide this. The problem is that this little connector is kind of sticking out, but anyways, I think we'll be able to hide that up in there. And installation was actually pretty simple because we already had a tuner in here. So we didn't have to take the PCM apart at all. All we had to do, honestly, was just, you can see, let me see if I can set this light up a little bit better. Good enough. So here's the actual DP tuner chip, and it just slides onto a connector on the back of the PCM board. And it was very simple because, like I said, this was already open. We just slotted it right in there. Didn't have to get this out at all. Very easy. Run the cable up there, and that is that. So real quick, I'll fire the truck up and just show you running through the tunes. So one of the great things about this tuner, and I don't know if this is just with 7.3 trucks or if you can do this to, you know, Duramaxes or whatever, but this is a switch on the fly tuner. You can, it's not a good idea to do it while you're driving, but while the truck's running, you can just flip through all of your tune profiles. You don't have to stop and, you know, throw an OBD programmer on there and sit there while it uploads. They're all on the board, and you just flip through whichever ones you want. So we'll go ahead and get this thing started. And so right now, there is a no start tune that is on position 0. We have switched to position 1, which is stock. Fires up with none of that romping like we had before. So there is a high idle tune on number 2. Jody recommends to let the truck kind of stabilize a little bit in stock, and then easy as this, number 2. We had our high idle tune set at 1300. So there's a tachometer there, and easy as that. That is the 80 horse daily tune. This is the 60 horse daily tune. I think I have that right. I can't remember which one's which, but 80 horse is more for city driving and 60 horse is like an interstate daily driving tune. This is the somewhat heavy tow. This is for 9 to 13,000 pounds of towing, and that gives you like a 60 horse boost. And then this is a 40 horse tune for towing. I think it is 13 to 15,000 pounds. So we got this, the tune 6, the heavier tow tune, just in case, you know, maybe one day, like I said, we get a gooseneck trailer and tow a couple of cars. But the reason the tow tunes have lower horsepower is because they are fueling a little bit less, so that you don't cook the motor. So anyways, that's a quick run through those. Jody actually has a lot more options than that. he probably has, I think it's like 15 or 20 tunes he has you can pick from, and you can put up to 16 or 17 on here. But he charges by the tune, so we just got a few basic ones because we didn't really need anything crazy. You know, he's got, you know, hot race tunes and that kind of stuff. But we're, like I said, just nice and easy. All right, so I hope you're able to see this because, like I said, it is starting to get a little dark. But there is the new logo in place, and I have to say that looks pretty dang good on a white truck. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments if you hate it or if you love it. Either way. But so I think what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be able to see what you guys aren't. We'll do the other side. I might leave the tailgate, since we might just replace that tailgate with another white one because it does have a good bend in the middle of it. I don't know, we'll see. But I might decide to end the video here. Tomorrow we are probably gonna do, if I can get by a parts store, do the rear diff fluid change. I got the fluid in today from Amazon because it was cheaper. I know, cheap, but I still need to get some brake cleaner, and I need to get some black spray paint to actually kind of cover up some of the rust on that diff cover. So anyways, so this was just a short little update video. Hopefully you guys were able to see everything okay in the dark. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hitting the like button down below, right? And thank you for subscribing. So stay tuned for a little more work tomorrow on this guy right here.